back to homeschooling Jackson. Today, we are making a gas breath from a completely gross chemistry set. Alright. We're going to add 50 milliliters in the test tube and pour it into the tall cup. We could add 50 extra if we like, but that's just going to be even messier. Let's do it like normal. Alright, now we have 50 milliliters of water. Let's put it in here. Okay, fill the big pipette with pH indicator solution, also known as phenol red. Add 5 drops to the cup of water. Stir the solution. This is your indicator. Add 5 drops. As always, take this off. Let me dash. And one extra, 1 and a 6th drop for good luck. Alright, now. Alright, using the straw, slowly blow the air into the indicator. Be careful to blow it gently so the solution does not splash. Okay? I'm not actually drinking it. I'm just blowing on it so the experiment could work. Whoa! Look at that! Whoa! Cool. Cool. That is so cool. Let's try blowing it some more. That is super cool. It had bubbles in it. So, we're not allowed to drink this because it could kill your digestive system. We don't want that. So, we just stick to blowing. There's also some why that happened question that I'll put in the description of the YouTube video. Let's try, alright, try this. Conduct this experiment using tap water from your faucet in step 1. Got it. After making the water acidic with your breath, leave the cup out overnight and see what happens. If it turns pink, that means it has become more alkaline. This happens because of the chlorine that is addicted to drinking water by both cities and fishing systems. Chlorine reacts with water to make hydrochloric and hypochlorous acids that help kill harmful bacteria as the chlorine evaporates overnight. The acids disappear and the water becomes more alkaline. Okay, we're gonna try leaving this overnight. Like right there. Okay. So here's the update on the gas breath. Well, at least it's orange, but in the mirror right here, this is pink. We're in the laundry room. As you can see, you might as well deserve to see the results before next morning. Here's what it looks like by midnight. So here's what it looks like by midnight. It's kind of pink, but it's basically more like a red color. We're gonna come back next morning It's because this really doesn't very much look like pink, but this, please, just, I'm gonna hope that this works. If this doesn't work, then I'm not gonna care about doing any National Geographic trips anymore. Anyway, let's wait until the morning. Now that we waited overnight, we are gonna see the results of the gas breath. I think you're excited to see it. And here it is. Whoa! Cool. Look at that. Looks very pink. Looks kind of pink. It's basically, but it's just basically kind of red. Basically kind of red.
Every time there's a post on Rachel Maddow,
the reason why we had to make updates is because the reason why we had to post updates on the videos because
if I click that, this virus thing is gonna pop out. It happens every
it's because I'm sure I want people to see the results before this morning. Today's May 2nd. As you can see, some of it is pink. I think we have to, kind of works, but not very pink. Not very pink, but pretty cool though. Pretty cool. Make sure to subscribe to Homeschooling Jackson so you won't miss any more Homeschooling Jackson videos. Bye!